The Rideshare program is awesome. It's been a really good experience.
The rideshare just offers me an opportunity to be able to get to work, given the fact that I don't have a car at the moment.
One of the greatest feelings as a recruiter, obviously, is getting somebody a job that they really, really love. But it's even more rewarding when, maybe they're in a market that just doesn't have the availability right now. It's really nice for the employees who might just not have any other option.
We all get picked up, same time, every day. Our driver's really good. He's really a good driver.
I love driving for people. It's something that I really enjoy.
He's the type of driver who not only will be there on time every day, rain, sleet, or snow, but he knows that these guys sometimes, the van is their only transportation out there. Sometimes the van is their only transportation in general. So he'll even after the shift is over, swing by a gas station, pick up some food for everybody, or go through a drive-through. And definitely just an incredibly personable guy. Whenever we see him on a Monday morning come in to drop off the rideshare log, we're always got a big old smile on our face, happy to see him come in.
Then I got this job with you guys, and so far, so good. I love it. Oh, QPS provides a gas card, and they also provide maintenance. All I have to do is give them a call, tell them they schedule the oil change or whatever the van needs. Yeah, it's very convenient.
A good rideshare driver has to be dedicated to the position. Definitely somebody who we can trust, very reliable. We have a pretty extensive vetting process for our drivers, but honestly the one thing that we look for is somebody who is not only reliable but also very personable as well. Our best rideshare drivers that we've had have had great relationships, not just with us at QPS, but also everybody on the van as well.
But I have the van, I'm not using my vehicle, my gas,
We all look out for one another, make sure everyone's on time and gets picked up. It's always a pleasant experience. So we got a good driver. It's cheap. Everyone's going to the same place.
What I think is one of the greatest benefits of work for QPS is that they're really understanding and helpful when it comes to being able to find transportation for you to get to work.